welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moy. And today I have the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the carbon colorway, so let's get to it. Alright, so I got the Supreme keys, and let's get right into it. So I honestly think these aren't really hard to get as long as you're participating in the raffles that they give on, like the new Adidas Confirmed app or even the regular Adidas app. So y'all should go check that out if you guys have the chance. But right off the bat, we have the 350, and let me get these out the way. And of course, Boost 350 and made by Adidas, Yeezy Boost 350. And this is, the color is Azrael, so triple Azrael, and this is a size 9.5. So every time you go true to size, just go up half a size with Adidas because they tend to fit a little tighter. So let's open this bad boy. Alright, so here's the first look. Honestly, it's pretty nice. It looks pretty good, and it smells good too. Also, with these, I'm guessing now they're putting extra set of laces in each Yeezy box because they're doing that. If you have to switch them out, you have to cut them. So I don't know what the purpose that's for. Right off the bat, it's the whole sole and midsole is like a off-white. It's not full pure white. It's like a nice, just, I don't know, it's like a tan kind of, but not really, more to the whiter side. And of course we have the one lacing system, I guess, and if you want to take these off, you have to cut them. So I don't know, I'll see, because these actually look pretty nice. I might keep these. It's my second pair that I keep, if I do keep them. But of course we have the Boost on the bottom and all around, of course, and then we have the insole which says Adidas and Yeezy, and we have a whole prime knit upper, of course. And then they actually did the cross stitching on these because some of the V2 models actually have a straight stitching going down the middle, but now I guess they went back to the cross stitching. And other than that, there's not really much to this shoe. Of course, we all know this. V2s are pretty basic, but they look really nice in some colorways. Some colorways are pretty ugly. But other than that, here's both shoes in its full glory. So, okay, so sometimes the extra set of laces actually come in a different color. But with this certain colorway, I guess they just added the extra set of laces, but in the same original ones that they already have on. So nothing too special, but it's a really nice shoe. If you're probably thinking of buying this, I say go ahead, but don't get finessed, basically, because these shoes actually went down in price ever since everybody gets them, and Yeezys are actually not as hard to get like Nike on the sneakers app. So it's like a good news, but also bad news, because if you're a reseller, you're not gonna make much profit. So other than that, let me get you the close-up shots and the on feet, and I'll see you at the end of the video. wraps up the video on these 350 V2 carbon colorway Yeezys. And let me know what you guys think of this shoe, if I should keep them or if I should sell them. But other than that, that wraps up the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.